Ohm's Law. We're going to learn about Ohm's Law in this video lesson, and I want you to follow along, and I want you to try everything I try, okay? So, on a sheet of paper, I want you to write out the words Ohm's Law. You're going to make yourself a chart, okay? And we're going to draw the Ohm's Law Triangle, and we're going to put a V here. Oops. V. I'm going to put a line here, and an I, and an R. So V is voltage, I is current, and R is resistance. Okay. So if I wanted to find current, what do I need to do? I would write I is equal to, and I'm looking for current. So what that means is, in this chart, V is going to be divided by R. So V is divided by R for the current formula. Okay? If I wanted to find voltage, right? I want to find voltage. I'm looking for voltage. That means V is equal to I multiplied by R. So I times R. If I wanted to find resistance, so resistance is equal to V divided by I. So I'm looking for R. The V is over the I, which means that it's going to divide. So V over I. So that's Ohm's Law in its most basic formulaic explanation. So what you should have on your sheet of paper is a nicely drawn triangle. Okay, with the V in the top triangle, a line separating current from resistance. Remember that V is voltage, I is current. Okay, voltage is always going to be VI. When you're asking for current, you're looking for the amperage, okay, the amps, or the milliamps or microamps. R is resistance, and resistance is always going to be, that looks like an ugly, is ohms. Okay, so the symbol for resistance is ohms. So that's Ohm's Law in its most basic explanation.